Choosing the perfect tablet for a 4-year-old means finding a device that's safe, engaging, and durable enough to withstand the energy of a preschooler. It should spark curiosity, support early learning, and offer parents peace of mind with robust controls. In 2025, the best tablets for young kids blend fun, education, and a rugged design. Whether you prioritize a curated educational ecosystem, a content-rich media hub, or a versatile device for the whole family, our top picks cater to every need. Here are the top 5 best tablets for a 4-year-old tailored for learning, play, and parental ease. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. LeapFrog LeapPad Academy 7. If you're looking for a tablet that's completely focused on early childhood development, the LeapFrog LeapPad Academy 7 is an outstanding choice. Unlike typical tablets repurposed for kids, this one is designed from scratch with preschoolers in mind. Targeted at ages 3 to 8, it provides a comprehensive learning experience while keeping children safe and engaged through interactive, age-appropriate content. Physically, the LeapPad Academy is made to survive life in the hands of a 4-year-old. It has a shatter-safe 7-inch screen surrounded by a durable silicone bumper available in fun colors like green and pink. A built-in kickstand adds convenience, while a tethered stylus promotes hand-eye coordination and fine motor development. Weighing just 1.3 pounds, it's perfectly sized for little hands to hold and carry. The tablet also includes access to Leap Search, a child-friendly browser that keeps internet use safe, and the parental dashboard offers deep customization, letting you set time limits, monitor progress, and control what apps your child can use. A 3-month free trial of LeapFrog Academy provides over 2,000 educational activities. After the trial, full access requires an $8 a month subscription. While the LeapPad doesn't deliver top-tier performance or camera quality, it runs smoothly for its intended use. With no ads or in-app purchases, it creates a distraction-free, secure environment tailored for learning. Pros: rugged, kid-proof design with a stylus, expert curated educational content, robust parental controls, adapts to child's learning level. Cons: limited to LeapFrog's ecosystem, subscription needed for full content, basic camera and performance. Number 2. Amazon Fire HD Kids 8-inch. The Amazon Fire HD Kids is a parent favorite for a reason. It's an all-in-one solution for entertainment, education, and peace of mind. Built on the tried-and-true Fire HD 8 platform, this kid-specific version is thoughtfully packaged with a colorful bumper case, a generous content subscription, and Amazon's best-in-class parental controls. Designed with durability in mind, the tablet comes in a bright, impact-resistant foam case available in vibrant colors like blue, pink, and purple. The integrated handle also works as a kickstand, allowing hands-free use. Its 8-inch HD screen delivers crisp visuals ideal for books, videos, and games. And its 13-hour battery life ensures it lasts through long car rides or full days at home. Performance is handled by a quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM, which, while not blazing fast, is sufficient for kids' content. The 32 GB of internal storage is expandable up to 1 TB via microSD, providing plenty of room for downloaded content. One of its most valuable features is Amazon's 2-year worry-free guarantee. If the tablet breaks, they'll replace it, no questions asked. It's a safety net that adds immense value for busy parents of curious and sometimes clumsy toddlers. Pros: 2-year worry-free guarantee, fast Amazon Kids Plus content library, excellent parental controls, long 13-hour battery life. Cons: performance not top tier, Kids Plus requires subscription after 1 year, ads in non-kids mode.
Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition 11-inch. For families seeking a long-term tablet that grows with their child, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition offers a perfect balance of child-friendly features and full Android flexibility. Designed for shared use, this tablet blends powerful specs with a thoughtful kid mode, making it suitable for both young children and older users. Out of the box, the A9 Plus is wrapped in a bright, rugged bumper case that protects the premium metal chassis. It includes a crayon-style stylus that encourages artistic expression and helps develop drawing and writing skills. The massive 11-inch LCD screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate delivers smooth visuals ideal for streaming, gaming, and interactive learning. Dolby Atmos quad speakers add rich sound that enhances the multimedia experience. Powered by a Snapdragon processor and 4 GB of RAM, the A9 Plus delivers responsive performance. It comes with 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, making it future-proof for years of use. Battery life is around 8 hours, adequate for a day of moderate use. This is a versatile option for parents who want a robust Android tablet that can serve the whole family. It's not just for the 4-year-old, it can evolve into a homework or streaming device as they grow. Pros: large, vibrant 11-inch display, durable case with stylus, full Android versatility, strong parental controls. Cons: less preloaded kids content, some default apps have ads, shorter battery life. Number 4. Lenovo Tab M9 2023 9-inch. The Lenovo Tab M9 is a great choice for budget-conscious parents who still want a reliable and safe tablet experience for their preschooler. Though not marketed as a kids-only device, it becomes an ideal educational tool when paired with Google Kids Space, offering curated content and solid parental oversight. Under the hood, it features a MediaTek Helio G80 processor and 3 GB of RAM, enough to keep kids' apps running smoothly. It has 32 GB internal storage, extendable via microSD, so you can download plenty of content for offline use. Pros: affordable and durable metal build, Google Kids Space for safe content, excellent 13-hour battery life, expandable storage. Cons: no kid-proof case included, requires app curation, modest 3 GB of RAM.
Number 5. Apple iPad 10th Gen 10.9 inches. For parents ready to invest in a premium tablet that can grow with their child, the Apple iPad 10th Gen delivers unmatched versatility, performance, and access to world-class educational apps. Though not specifically built for kids, with the right setup and accessories, it becomes an outstanding learning and entertainment device for a 4-year-old. And the iPad's high price tag may be more than what some are willing to spend for a preschooler's device. Pros: stunning 10.9-inch display, unrivaled app quality, powerful A14 Bionic chip, excellent parental controls. Cons: higher price point, no kid-proof case included, requires setup for kid safety. Choosing the right tablet for a 4-year-old means balancing fun, education, durability, and safety. Whether you prefer a learning-focused device like the LeapPad or a full-featured option like the iPad, there's a perfect fit for every family. Each of our top 5 picks offers unique strengths to support your child's early development while giving parents peace of mind.